Welcome to codeSpace tutorial. In this discussion, we will see one of the commonly used AWS architecture. Also, we will discuss various components provided by Amazon. So this architecture is basically for a web application where a user makes a API request. These requests are then handled by Route 53. Route 53 serves as a domain hosting, subdomain mapping, routing traffic to different regions. We will come to this topic later. If the request is for any static web page or image or videos, the content will be delivered fast from CloudFront, which acts as a content delivery network for the file stored in S3. For REST API calls, Route 53 will let Elastic Load Balancer to handle the request. ELB checks the health and the load of the server registered under it and navigates the traffic to different servers depending on load. And both the web layer is in different available zones. In any particular region, there are 2 to 3 available zones present, such as in India, Mumbai and Chennai are the 2 available zones. Having servers in multiple or different AZ reduces the latency. Also, if due to some natural disaster, Chennai zone is down for few days, request can be served from Mumbai. Each web layer consists of multiple web servers and can be configured and scaled to 1 to n machines using auto-scaling group and configuration depending on CPU and network and or other utilizations. Both these web layer then talks to another ELB, which in turn processes the request in app layer. App layer also consists of EC2 instance and can be put together with Lambda functions. The Lambda is basically a serverless architecture where there is no need to maintain the server and its patch or OS updates. Both this app layer and the web layer are in different security groups so that the app layer cannot be accessed from outside the network. An app layer takes care of processing business operations and associated logics like process image and store it in S3, read-write data from databases. So for database we use different AZ to keep a replica in standby position. All the logs can be logged in CloudWatch. Both these available zones are present in one region, say India. So in order to handle traffic better and have lower latency rate, same architecture can be replicated in different regions, say Ireland, to serve the user for Europe or Middle East. And traffic will be routed to nearest server using Route 53. That's all for this video. You are watching codeSpace and I am Gaurav. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then surely do it. In our next tutorial, we will see what is microservice architecture and why all big companies like Netflix, Uber, SoundCloud implemented such architecture. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.